What if being efficient and being sustainable were actually the same thing? At FlexLink, we believe that smart designs can and should mean using less energy, less space, and greener materials. Hi, I'm Judith Brockmann, Head of Product Management at FlexLink. I've been with FlexLink for 3 years, working closely with our teams to translate sustainability goals into tangible outcomes. There are 2 main ways we make sustainability real at FlexLink. First, by building more efficient production lines. Every single system we design is optimized to use less energy, take up less space, and require fewer materials. It's not just better for the environment, it also makes operations more cost-effective for our customers. For example, we analyze total cost of ownership and continuously improve our motor technology to lower energy consumption. Second, we rethink how products are packaged and delivered. By optimizing packaging, we reduce waste, improve transportation efficiency, and minimize environmental impact, all while maintaining our commitment to quality and safety. By combining cost efficiency, space optimization, reduced material usage, and smarter packaging, we're not just improving production, we're making a real measurable impact. These actions reflect our deep commitment to both environmental responsibility and customer value. At FlexLink, sustainability isn't just an afterthought, it's embedded in every decision we make. By designing smarter production systems, we're shaping production that is efficient, responsible, and ready for the future. Because when we create smarter designs, we don't just build better production systems, we also build a better world. Visit FlexLink's website to learn more.